Zebra Technologies deliver enterprise-grade solutions that help me serve my customers efficiently. Their hardware and software are designed with productivity in mind. But what happens when my device fails? Physical damage, software issues, security problems, any of these can bring my business to a halt. I rely on my Zebra device every day. If it were to fail, my productivity drops and I can't serve my customers properly, which indirectly impacts revenue. Scale this to companies with hundreds or even thousands of employees, the impact is massive. Sure, I could use multiple budget devices to get the job done, but why risk a poor user experience? You wouldn't go out and buy a business vehicle or an expensive IT system without a service agreement in place, right? These are significant investments. If my delivery vehicle breaks down or my computer goes offline, I lose time and revenue immediately. The same principle applies to my Zebra device. That's where Zebra OneCare maintenance plans deliver value. Whether it's a mobile computer, printer, or scanner, Zebra OneCare ensures minimal downtime no matter what goes wrong with my device. Now, it turns out my device does have an issue, so let me get onto my computer and log a ticket at zebra.com/repair to begin the repair process. Okay, the details have now been added and my device is in the system. All I need to do now is print the label and attach it to a package. You'll need to arrange your own shipping and packaging. I just so happen to have kept the original box my TC58 was delivered in, so I'm going to return it in that. Once it's all safely packed, I'll prep it for final dispatch. I can have my device shipped back to one of over 50 global service facilities to get further diagnostics and subsequent repairs underway. Fun fact, did you know the cost of a single per-incident repair for accidental damage could be more than attaching a Zebra OneCare contract at point of sale? This is based on a 3-year plan. I didn't know until I spoke with my Zebra representative and we were tailoring the contract to meet my needs. Zebra OneCare is far more than just break-fix. Devices are more than just hardware. The operating system and security patches come into play here too. The beauty here is that you'll be given access to your own VisibilityIQ OneCare dashboard, so you can see the status of all of your repairs. This is already included into the cost of your Zebra OneCare contract, so there's nothing extra that you need to pay for. Now, I've always been curious to know what happens when a device is sent back for repair, so I hope you'll join me as we see what a day in the life of a device service looks like. Let me go pack a bag and we can head to the Zebra Repair Center, shall we? I'm here at one of the repair centers Zebra operates globally, where they perform device repairs. There are also triage and stocking locations around the world, meaning that the team check over all of your units before any repair or stock swapping is carried out. So no matter where in the world my devices are located, I know that I'm covered. From an enterprise point of view, consumer devices similar to something like this typically would have OS updates and patches pushed down to them at perhaps inconvenient times. And if you're managing a device estate with specified versions of an application on them, you don't want them to be out of commission when you need them most. You want to be able to test these Android security patches and updates in a safe, controlled environment before rolling them out to the field, right? Zebra LifeGuard provides access to regular OS updates required to stay on top of emerging security threats, while allowing you to migrate to new versions at your own pace. And you're able to find more information on LifeGuard by going to zebra.com/LifeGuard. This is another reason why Zebra developed the OneCare portfolio, as it's really been designed to go above and beyond the manufacturer's warranty to cover everything and anything, including regular wear and tear, accidental damage, and of course, technical and software support. You saw it here for yourself: fault finding, rebuild, battery service, commissioning, VisibilityIQ OneCare dashboard, and Zebra LifeGuard. And you'll agree, this is far more comprehensive than just break fix. The upshot here is the entirety of the Zebra OneCare team makes it their business to look after my Zebra devices, so I can focus on moving my business in the right direction. You can learn more about Zebra OneCare by going here and scanning this QR code, or by speaking to your account manager or customer success manager to find out what plan best suits your needs and which is the best option to take care of your business. Thank you, Lex. I appreciate that. Now that my device is repaired, I'm going back to work. Thanks for watching.